We're gonna draw these flowers. So let's use the vine charcoal to see the big shape. So basically there is the two direction like this. One is coming up. That's the main objects. So if you want to shrink it, the top over here. So I'm gonna move it a little smaller. And this is the decision you have to make at the beginning. Also, I want to include the catch the shadow, very soft, beautiful catch the shadow over here. Now I want to have the whole thing move it to all the way to the right. Because I want to give a little bit more space for the beautiful catch the shadow on the wall. So it's come over here. So this is the new composition. So I'm going to have the catch the shadow all the way over here. So if you put over here, you have less space for the catch the shadow. So I am going to decide, okay, this is what I want to do. Now I want to work on the proportion. First, I'm going to measure the height of this to the length of the flower. The group of flowers is not really that long. Flower only start over here as the first group. But again, you don't have to draw exactly what does that look like. You can change it if you want, but making sure that you know that you are making the change. But if you're going to draw the way it is, that would be the proportion. Let's take a look. The direction of these flowers, the group of flowers, is going this direction, like this. Now I can see that there's one group over here, first working the big group before the small group. And there's another group over here. This group a little bit smaller because there's a space in between these two groups, have this much space. Now I'm working into the smaller group inside this big group. Now there's one and there's another shape like that. So this is only rough composition between these two. And now take a look. And this is the top of the flower vase. This is the middle. And the middle, a little bit lower than the middle, and start curving like this. What we're going to do, move on. I'm going to also put the shape of the catch the shadow. Just the simple shape like this. And the catch the shadow also from the bottom of the flower vase and extend it, connect to the wall. Now after that, we're going to separate those light and middle tone and dark colors. And very easy to do. It just I'm going to make the whole thing except the flower vase to be darker. Apply the middle tone everywhere. And then I'm going to use my eraser to create the lighter value. Now, I'm going to come into for the soft catch the shadow. Okay. Don't rush to draw the flowers yet. I know the flowers are very attractive. Stay in the big relationship for a little bit. A bigger picture. Now I'm gonna come in to create a little lighter value. First, start from the top of the flower vase. You can see that it's pretty light. So I'm gonna use the needle eraser to create the lighter shape. Now I'm gonna look into the flower. Okay, you go on this side a little bit lighter. Just think about shapes, light and dark shape. Okay, look at the value of it. Get the lighter value out from the middle tone first, coming on this side. Now, next what I want to do, I'm gonna add a little darker value over here. There's a little darker value. Now we're going a little smaller shape. And then connect that. The shape and the shape composed together to represent whatever the object that you are drawing. There. And then come back to do the adjustment, and there is the bottom of the wall.